The island strum. I would say the island strum is the milestone for a beginner ukulele player. You want to get to the point where you can comfortably play second nature, the island strum. So there's a little trick to it at first, and it usually happens like this. The strum goes like this: down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Now I'm going to move my hand away from the strings. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. You will notice that the pendulum motion of my wrist twisting does not change. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. What might happen for you as a beginner is you'll play down, down, up, and then kind of get stuck up here and forget that you want to come down and do a downstroke without contacting the strings. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. This is a great rhythm. And once you get hold of it, quite often, a lot of beginners don't move off that. We're not going to do that, are we? We're going to learn more rhythms. So what I want you to be able to do next time we meet is down, down, up, down, up. And let's go to an F chord. Down, down, up, down, up. And then we're going to go to a G7. Down, down, up, down, up. And then we're going to lift our two fingers here and slide our ring man up for the C chord. Down, 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 up. Let's put it all together in a flow. Down, down, up, down, up, F, down, up, G7 next, then back to C. I'll guide you one more time. C to the F chord, G7, slide back up to C. Okay, now I'm just going to play it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. One more time. C to F, G7, finish on the C. And if you like, you can do a cha-cha-cha. That's the chords to Jamaica Farewell. And it's a great beginner tune. You can substitute the F chord for a D minor in the chorus. So that goes like this. That's your F chord, all right? And now we're going to put our third finger in the middle. So that would sound like this. If you like this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, leave me a comment below. I'd love to speak to you sometime. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one.